In OwnerRez, all types of fees and discounts are configured in the settings, surcharges, and discounts area. Taxes and rates are configured in their own sections, but we won't cover those today. Let's see how to configure some common surcharges and discounts. I've pre-created all of these so we can look through the settings. First up is the simplest, the cleaning fee. This applies always automatically and is a flat fee per stay. Then let's look at a guest fee. This one is done using the multiplier concept, which calculates the total based on how many are associated with the booking. You can go based on adult, child, pet, guest, holiday. In this case, it's kicking in for every 1 over 4. In other words, 4 guests are included in the nightly rate, and then at the 5th, this starts kicking in $20 per guest per night. How about a pet fee? Here's one configured per pet for every 1 above 0, meaning it kicks in at the first pet. Right now it's calculated per stay, so it would be $50 per stay, but you could also set this to per night and calculate it that way. And you can also do optional surcharges like, say, a pool heat. This will show to the guest during the reservation process, and they can pick it to add to the booking or not. The description will be shown. You can add pictures in here so they can see what they're buying when they pick this add-on. Now for some discounts. First, let's look at a last-minute discount of 20% per stay for arriving within 10 nights. This is configured in the amount section, just like a surcharge, 20% per stay. And then we have booking field criteria that controls when this discount is applicable. In this case, arrival days from now is less than or equal to 10 days away. We've got a second one that applies at under 20 nights. This is going to be very similar, except for it has less than or equal to 20 nights. You'll notice we also have a greater than 10 nights to make sure that this discount doesn't also apply at the same time as the 20% off under 10 nights. You can also do length of stay discounts, like a weekly or monthly discount. Let's look at the monthly first. Very similar to last minute, same amount, only we're now doing number of nights is greater than or equal to 28 nights. And also notice we have arrival days from now greater than 20 nights to make sure this doesn't apply with the last minute stay discounts. Also, we've got a weekly discount in here, applied automatically, 10%. And this is now getting into a lot of criteria where we have arrival days from now, greater than 20, number of nights, less than 28, so it doesn't apply with the last minute or with the monthly. And number of nights is greater than or equal to 6. Finally, you can do discounts by code. So right now we've got a 20% discount code, and the discount code is friend. So the guests will be able to enter this code during the reservation process. Keep in mind, discounts by code will override all other discounts. So if you have a last minute discount applying, say, and they enter a discount by code, that code will override the last minute discount and they'll just get the discount that they added by code.